My name is artist Gautam Bhattacharya. I was government staff, long years, Calcutta and Tripura, and Ramakrishna Mission's many branches in all over India, and CBSE board, and ex-teacher of Sant Otulanandi School and others. Now I'm corrected teaching level and BHU University corrected and Delhi Lalit Kala Chitra Parishad group ko sath corrected. But I am continue teaching. I am also writer on that paper continued. But today, this is the subject of portrait. I am telling you for the students, and you can follow to the subjects very seriously. But I can try to heart and soul too much expose to the students. I hope you may be pleased of that matter. First time, square papers, middle on the subject of portrait doing that times. First time round like that egg. After then, middle of the line, draw the egg point. First head, eye, nose, face, and under portion some things. One portion here. Brew. One brew and this side portion one brew. Eye, the subject of that size equal to three places portions. Measurement equal. One portion's eye जो size, middle of the size equal, and other sides equal. Three eyes you can see, and you have to understand of that matter. Three size of that eye, middle में one portion's एक ठो eye and side. इसका बाद nose, one side first draw. Eye, nose, side portions, this type draw. Corner, एकदम साइड, ऊपर का थिकनेस थोड़ा दिखाना, यहाँ भी थिकनेस दिखाना चाहिए. एंड पॉइंट आउट टू द राउंड, ठोंठ का पोर्शन, वन साइड ड्रॉ. One side, which is the time of period, I draw the paper equals opposite sides. You can see. Another sides, ear. Ear, A level, this level of the eye, and nose portions A. Drawing perfect, follow to this matter. All times, in all times. You can follow to the drawing in all times. अच्छा, इसके बाद throat, गला. another sides देखो, this sides eyeball. भ्रू थोड़ा मोटा कर दीजिए. ये जो ऊपर का जो कपाल से ये थूथनी जो ड्राइंग है, इससे यहाँ कांच से एक इक्वल, दोनों साइड इक्वल. another sides here यही लेवल में चलता है. दिस साइड्स just simple drawing you can follow to the first times. अच्छा, झुलपी जो देखा थोड़ा दिखा देना चाहिए. यू कैन फॉलो टू दिस साइड्स. झुलपी जो होता है ह्यूमन दिखाना चाहिए. सम थिंग्स शैडो, वॉल्यूम दिखाने के लिए ऐसे रखना चाहिए. That is the portrait. Understand? This is the portrait. Namaskar.